name is Birgit Becker. I'm one of the managing directors from EGroupWare, and I'm happy to present today EGroupWare 23.1 and the Collabora integration. So, how to move?
Just press space.
Okay. Yeah, so EGroupWare 23.1 has a revised code base with web components and lit library. And so it's more user-friendly, automatically better aligned dialogues, variables and responsive layouts with CSS Flexbox. We have new widgets and icon sets with SVG, drag and drop support on mobile view, e.g. to move Kanban cards on a mobile, and change font size for better support of visual handicaps. These things are coming with a new technology. We included, because in German law there was a change that you have to track working times. We included a working timer. As soon as you log in, it asks you if you want to start your working time, and also a project timer. You can start, stop, pause it. We are tracking the events happening if the user changed something, so you can change it at every time, but you can still see that it was changed. We have new features for file manager quota to set it for users and groups, which is an EPL feature. And we have OAuth integration for mail accounts, Gmail, and Microsoft 365. We have the new widget from our mail app, for example, has new or interesting features like if you click on the avatar, it opens our CRM view. If you click on a plus, or it shows a plus if it's not already in the database. If you click on the plus, it gets added there. And if you click on the name or the email address, it gets automatically added into an existing compose window, or it creates a new compose window for mailing. So a lot of interactions within the mail app. And also new, we now can open or store documents directly with Collabora Online. So if you get a mail with an attachment from Office, we store it automatically in a temp folder and opening it with Collabora Online, and you can work and save it somewhere else or whatever you like to do. Yeah, this is already longer in EGroupWare. So we have a file manager dialog in Collabora, which allows you to change the document files, save it somewhere else with a different document type already longer, or since many versions, you can also save it as a PDF in EGroupWare. And for sure, we have the regular integrations like send an email as attachment, a download link, sharing link, these things. And also specific for EGroupWare, since a few years, you can insert data from the database of EGroupWare, for example, the business address of your contacts, by simply clicking on the according icon, selecting the address you want, and it inserts the data into your document. That works also with emails, but here it nicely works with directly working with the data. And we can have some templates, and the templates have placeholders referring to the data you stored, for example, either to a project or to a task or to a contact, and this data get merged into your document. So this works as well with text documents as with spreadsheets. So you can create your own templates for reportings and all these kind of things and work on the data you store in EGroupWare. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Birgit. And the next is